Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Janet. For those new, thank you guys for tuning in. Before I start this video, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to my brother for helping me out do all these crazy videos. It's raining right now a little bit. It's the middle of summer, a little bugs going around. So quick update, guys. I decided to get the Weapon R. I forgot the name. Oh my god, Weapon R. I was literally talking about it. Where is it? Right here. Oh yeah, the Weapon R engine torque damper, which installation is pretty simple. Pretty much pretty much what it is, kind of like what they explained to me, and pretty much a couple of my friends have done this. It's a suspension for the engine, you know, kind of like having coilovers in the car. You guys do know that when you rev your engine, and you do know people that have exhaust like myself, I like revving my engine. When we pedal shift, you know, and go, you know, shifts up and down, the engine shakes, which is, you know, normal. So this pretty much prevents the shaking from it. But here's the situation that I'm going through right now. Let me see if I can get that piece. Right here. This is one.
Not sponsored by Nike.
So I love that stuff. So this piece right here, which holds the head of the torque of the damper, was on these two bolts over here. Holds there, and then pretty much this one over here pretty much holds or stays in these two bolts over here, the stock bolts. Issue is I got a strut bar. I got a 10 strut bar, and I can't work around it. I can't work, you know. I can see like it's supposed to go here, but it's not letting me because the strut bar's right here on the way. Now what I'm seeing, or what I could, I mean, hopefully maybe try to do, if I wanna go with the damper, is either I take away the strut bar, which I'll be giving up my strut bar, or I don't even know. Maybe modify this, you know, maybe take it to a welder so you can attach here, and maybe somehow get it attached here. And then yeah, I mean, pretty much, because if I put it right here, you know, just on top of it, it does the fitment is perfect. It's literally right there, but it has to be on this side like this. So if you guys have a strut bar, I don't think this is gonna fit. I'm sad and I'm really bummed about it because I really wanted to put this on, especially today. Alright guys, so really wanted to put this on. I don't think it's gonna work. I'll message Weapon R and see if there's any way they can help me out, or I guess I'll just return it. Hopefully they have a good return policy on it. Put this thing back on. Yeah, I did repainting my engine bay, guys. I know I haven't talked about this. I'll talk about this in another video for sure. But anyways, guys, if you guys, I mean, it's pretty simple. Take these two bolts out, put it in. Take this stock ones out and put it in. Pretty much with the wrench, you should be okay of taking them out. Also, all you need, pretty much what I'm seeing, is just literally a wrench. It sucks that I can't put it on now, guys. I'll message them, see if maybe they can build one for Camrys that have a strut bar, or maybe it's just meant to have a stock, you know, non-strut bar engine. So sucks when things don't go your way. I think I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. By the way, that's where you close your hood. You don't just put it there and then you close it, because your hands, you know, can squeeze, I guess you can say, or make a dent. So just drop it. Big shout out to my homie Nas, Camry Nas, for telling me that too. Well guys, I guess we're just gonna call it a day. Sucks. Anyways guys, remember, it's not just about the car. Stay sexy.
fresh cut